worship you alone. We worship you alone. And in you alone turn for your help.
For another wonderful event of our English Club. And it's my pleasure to stand in front of you all to welcome one and all person here to this event. We are indeed very happy to have Ms. Abhida Saluki, the Senate member of University of Calicut. She has consented to be with us amidst her hectic schedule, and of course we have on our record our gratitude towards her for accepting our.
വിദ്യാർത്ഥി കൂടിയാണ് ഇസാക് പുഴക്കര. അവരുടെ മകളാണ് ഹയ നമ്മുടെ സ്പെഷ്യൽ ഗസ്റ്റ് ആക്കി മാറ്റുന്നത്. അവരുടെ ഒരു മോട്ടിവേഷൻ സ്പീച്ച് ഉണ്ടാവും. ഫാറൂഖിയുടെ അഖില ഫാറൂഖിയുടെ സ്പീച്ച് ഉണ്ടാവും. ഈ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് 11 പേര് ഇപ്പോൾ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിലുണ്ട്.
But who do not know a word to speak in English. So you need skills. These skills you get through practical training, through exposure. I can learn BSc Agriculture in a classroom, I can write exams, but in order to gain practical knowledge, I have to go out to the fields. The National Council for Skills has enumerated a lot of skills that you must possess. So today all of you must go and just Google and check what are the skills, different kinds of skills that are required. Fashion designing might be a skill, data entry is another skill. There are so many skills that you need. And as students, you must have 3 basic skills. One is information literacy. You just touch your finger and you have a host, a deluge of information coming. So how do you know which is right? How do you know what is good for you and what is bad for you? You must know. You must be able to distinguish. You must be able to judicially. Development is of course there. We do a lot of research on why students do not know English. What is the basic reason? Why do we face this problem, this language problem? Basically because we don't have an activity-oriented approach to learning. How is your examination system? How many marks? Search for skill development is of course there. We do a lot of research on why students do not know English. What is the basic reason? Why do we face this problem, this language problem? Basically because we don't have an activity-oriented approach to learning. How is your examination system? How many marks?
Creativity, hard work, and the boundless potential within each one of you. I feel a deep sense of gratitude and nostalgia as I stand here at SNM Higher Secondary School, the very institution my father once walked through. It's a privilege to return to the school that has played such a significant role in shaping our families and to fully harness the potential that it offers. Because I was
To mark a milestone in our journey. Today we have 3 vibrant programs. The first one is already done, the releasing of our manuscript manual. And the second one,
I'm a person who wants fluency in English, and I was wondering, how do you get such a spontaneity English language?
I think Haya can answer that question better. In fact, we all were enjoying her English.
Everyone. I'm thrilled and excited to be here to say a big thank you to everyone. On behalf of English Club, let me express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Abhida Saluki, Senate member, University of Calicut. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable presence and your insightful speech. My heartfelt thanks to Mr.
taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you were not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.